And that is where the problem lies, because the standard Seadoo wearing has all these grooves in it. It's also very, very weak. So that's where all his horsepower's gone to. Hey, Kevin from Ski MD. Today we've got a classic complaint to look at on a Spark Tricks. The customer's complaint was that the ski starts and runs, revs, but doesn't accelerate like normal. He said it felt like it was going into limp mode, but there were no lights on the dash. We described the situation to him and it came up that it simply feels like a car when it's wheel spinning. So we're going to get in and take a look at the wearing. First of all, we're just disconnecting the IBR actuator arm. We've got no service history on this machine so far, so we don't know what state everything's in. So that's our reverse bucket removed. Now we'll disconnect the steering. Now we've got a couple of special tools that we use for getting in, accessing the hard to get to removal bolts. I'm picking this has never been serviced or never been serviced properly because these bolts have got no grease on them. The last one's a bit easier. And that is where the problem lies, because the standard Seadoo wearing has all these grooves in it. It's also very, very weak. So that's where all his horsepower's gone to. We'll replace that with an upgraded part that is still plastic, substantially stronger than OEM. We don't agree with using a stainless wearing because that way there's absolutely no give. When something does go wrong, it's going to take it out on the impeller, and the impellers are excessively expensive. So we'll just give this prop a light clean up, pop in a new wearing, and that'll be good to go with no major expense. Saving the seal off the old impeller. See the two styles. That one being solid, that one being what I call perforated, just no strength in it at all. Seal goes back onto there, make sure it's... And the trick on these when you're reinstalling them is to install this shoe and then try and get the pump on after. It's much harder. It's easier to do it this way, putting the wearing in, seal on, greasing the front of the drive line, and then reinstalling. Couple of shots of grease up there. Make sure this is all sitting on just fine. Take the steering cable in so you can guide it through the appropriate hole, and IBR actuator out of the way, feeling your way to get the impeller back in to the drive shaft. And there we go. Greasing the bolts as we go. Don't tighten them, just put them in loose until you get all three of them in place. That one tight. 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 That's the siphon hose for clearing the water out of the inside of the hull. Instead of having a bilge pump, they have a mechanical siphon. Should come apart a bit nicer next time. Done.